His Excellency Vice President Yebeto Abano Ediamanat elect as a flag bearer for the party, and I say MPP for I elect let me put it that way, Neja. And if I can say, hey, you know, I could say MPP needs because what can I get here? And people can say waha, we can say waha. And Chancellor Umbeto Abano Ediamano, you name him say Papa Lankuja Mate, you know, Edifi party in my ecote, Nedio Safa Franco, a party Samen Canisa, Nayankoye anymore. Now, and now over the weekend, no, young Papa Lankuja Chamatin, every PM, Kumasa Bonton, so, or more a walk, now walk in the mono, Nekasa, you more to just say, a year 24 economy now, former Vice President, a John Dramani Mahama, a say or Debano, BBI, Becca say, and you know, now Unim Dioka, cra, Unim, and no, Abidafo, at Nasi, maybe Mahoma Kaba, near Webrim. Maybe someone must say a Jane and a worker a farm straight away a Reneco, Mamma Moma Quaba, Nafi, ye moonra, yen Septanso, and I ye mau mocotron so here no, or Monsohena Ababonsene, send Neno, I was so more reported to school a year 4th of December 2023. And when I can me Brabanco for Cassa, and I don't collect Scukana and check less than 3 weeks, they're coming back, let's say 21st. They are coming back home to celebrate their Christmas. It's out there and then come crano and chain, then come monko after Christmas. And also no Jeba Abiduhu and Como. And I don't pay a year also Godfred Afakwa or a year regional communication team member for the NTC Mirampacho Akwaba. Great, Sanso and an AJ as usual, and also at Nancy a regional communication team member for the MPP Nanampacha Akwaba. Bibia Woko. Oh, Madam Bibia, in fact, when I'm na. So, what to say, you know, Alan Kujo Shamatin, about Kumasi Bay walk. What's it? What's the name? Somebody to just say 24-hour economy now, former president or the Banos will be able to say, you know, you don't even know what you're saying.
Madawasipa memfa kwenye wisunchia mchia ya shefo mchia the new patriotic party leadership led by Team Kudi administration mchia upa BBO na mchia Ghana Mampani atudampa mfuado mchia president of BBO also ewo na mchia the vice also the flag bearer of the new patriotic party, the soon coming King 2025 president, Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia. Mami enchia aye Dr. Obebi Biowo. Namichia aye Miamadi na chairman of the Nohokwaku Apia Kuka, one which got more than majority. Mamichia chairman of Obebi Biowo. Namichia Miami Mami, the chief of staff of the Republic. Honorable Kusio Safe Remote Parry. Mamichia aye Mampa Obebi Biowo. Nafe so Penipa, the executive secretary for the vice president, Dr. Augustine Blee. Mamichia Dr. Augustine Blee Obebi Biowo. Daruma. And Dr. Baumia Chidom, Obebi Biara Okoye, on the campaign, the strategies, now who do all the Google form, I'm the vice president, to me, Eddie Mamichia, Dr. Augustine Blee, a face with him, Baumia Funina. Anyaba, Honorable Alan Kojo Martin, a former trade minister. Dano Memenda was a fiada. It is a so be a mumbe nanti will grow ha. Ti onya podium no. O make some allegations be say you'll be a because 24-hour economy. Kika honsem bebre. You see, men and AJ, I will not discuss a movement, and I say a group of people be selfishness, greed, and I'm the Kokote ASR group.
As in say, selfishness and greed now, Emma Alan Ekote Nepati.
Yes. Now, we are going to treat everybody as an opposition party.
Okay.
Because obi a obeye na adwen say obeba na new patriotic party enumegu ase your party ne be lusu ebeye yibian, we are going to treat you as opposition. Because yentina ho ma wo with the minister pen. This MPP made wo di a ukrana. This MPP na ma onya said, you know. Without MPP nka obi anymore. MPP and I will send out here.
So he doesn't have the right to talk about Ajibia officer.
No, I'm not talking. I'm not addressing the main issue. No.
Okay.
But let me advise
Okay.
Udi ukodi sa movement we say one action group nature no. Wo hwe eye age. Na wo kokoshe eye leader no ene omomudi enim no age. Na wo hwe the bra some profone ekura. Tie mi ye pa o.
Mi tie ba na.
Sa the bra kofo ekura no. Omo di bra e o mampani kofo apenso.
Sir.
Omo be ya ambassadors, omo be ya ministers. President Kufuor ba yes one say ni wo mabro. Osan your ministers, a CEOs, so to say, a be MPs. They are satisfied. They are satisfied. They have nothing to lose when MPP goes to opposition. They have nothing to lose. So our movement, you know, they have nothing to lose because we secure any future. Do you be na dwen dachi you say ne wo ye your political future no at the same your career now person building at the same ndia na unim ze mbebu no ne smart ba na ho ko ayo sa mo work na nim de mo ye o so mo de no smart adi chiri wo mani no ma cheche pampe it asumesi na ko but who say asumesi na ye echo because
they are hiding.
Yes.
Okay.
It may catch them no. You're very careful. Because those people, crop of leaders, no mudi anymore. They have nothing to lose. It will be Kufuor Wadum Abai Mwaba. How many people are almost from party from 1992 no ban and we had that opportunity. We know who has that opportunity no. But we don't secure me no mama future. So me know me no as youth, you have to make sure say you be secure a inti creed and say enyamia part ni lusu say enyamia then obia. So we are going to treat everybody as an opposition member.
No, you don't answer my question.
Mame, 24-hour economy. It's already in existence.
All right.
It's honorable in some work cano. The issue is it's already in the system. Yeah, practice 24-hour economy in the system. It's so because of 24-hour economy. Nowadays, we be a 24-hour economy by wow that. What catch us said your former president say, yeah, call about to a chatro. So to say, you call about to a chatro said you do the unthinkable. It is another 2 days here. I'm going to say some communicators go there. Minimum go here. Mokobi, okay. I was saying Mokobi. Moko workshop. No TVC here. TVC.
I said workshop.
TVC here. I'm also saying communicators go there. Yes, wajetum. I have the last one.
Okay.
Yes, some Mokobi there. Maybe some say. Yeah, go catch up say. Say 24-hour economy no. I want this time nobody know. But the sign say you pay 2 million. Yes, several communicators. Muko amoshe da kase the any system no mu. Ye tire wo say ye twa to gontompo. Ndi ube wo say this week of communication no one line. Ndi omo ya go to say ne twa to kase here. So what I say, it is 24-hour economy. The issue is our system no mu. Oko abaye dwuma mu a. Oko a bit say health ministry a. Omo ye 24-hour economy. The nurses, the doctors, and the physician assistants, they run 24/7. We call anopa, no upon a year, now we are bad, no we are bad, almost that shift. The security service, police, immigration, fire service,
soldier saa nkurɔfoɔ wɔ ni nyinaa no ɔmo rane 24/7 wei kɔ anɔpa wei akɔ awia wei akɔ anwummerɛ ɔkɔ ɛyɛ airport in Accra airport ɛyɛ hills ne airport city na that ɛyɛ police command na ɛwɔ hɔ ɔmo rane 3 shifts commanders no ɔmo yɛ 3 wei ba 8 hours 1 2 upon 8 wei so upon ɛyɛ 10 wei so take it to ɛyɛ akyena anɔpa it they do all this go to the transport sector. It's not a 24-hour economy. It's in existence already.
I'm listening to you.
Also, I transport service now. Ko VIP asafua, ko FTC hey, ko Nkran, ko other air parts of the country. They run 24-hour 24/7 because ope so kwakra anaju tu ubenya kako. Into the transport system now practice 24-hour economy. Go to the hotels and that food and beverages no. Hotels no run 24/7. Me bwana. It will come a bit to say Holiday Inn. I won't cry. Oko Airport View. Oko Air Lancaster say one need no me change no. Such as say Kumasi say Golden Tulip no. So say need no me change the Lancaster no. Eti Oko Golden Tulip. Omo 7. Such as say ebio young the cities oko Accra nkrofo na omo na 24/7 oko ayese gahona nkrofo na omo muton first say indomie omo ton say nnuane ni nyina no omo run 24-hour economy oba ayasafo ya omo run 24-hour economy bebo go to the manufacturing sector no oko Accra eba Kumasi various parts of the country now 24/7 these manufacturing companies near Ejuma. I remember a typical example Oko B plus whatever already 24/7 majority of a human kese already 24-hour economy.
Okay.
It's a former president John Dramani Mahama who's going to pay me exposing it is an say 24-hour economy.
So Nana, are you assuming so only one?
The issue is say open a year to me now first to do the unthinkable and probably I went to tell them the masses never do to know so
okay
it's a look na Mahama it is a open so can be young president of Mahama say former president 8-hour and 12-hour economy no want to me and so who dey soon be go Ghana for so who said the Ghanaian business, who said the Ghanaian economy, it is 24-hour economy. Former President John Dramani Mahama, one book out show now your friend my first school guitar, page 257. Who say, who to me fajne? In the end, I remember our person of Fajre Ghana for. My first school guitar book, I am an agent America, your mama no masama. Yet it say yes, the economy facing crisis, but a baby need a soul. Because inflation with MPP and Dr. Baumia, inflation free 54.1% in the year 2022, and now as we speak, inflation is now almost 35.
So for
there is hope.
Okay.
Exchange rate in Kokodu 15, 16 to 20 cedis, CD and dollar in sense. But with MPP and Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia, and next in every 17, 18, no, our through 11 and 12%. Meaning say there is hope. Yes, maybe I found Kokodu. Fuel, Kokodu 23, 24 cedis per liter, and MPP. And the Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia. Make us say any that's all in the name of say it to me reduce ababa do this 11 and 12 cities. Meaning say there is hope. It the economy near the bounce back. Already IMF Agachel say the economic crisis that the Ghanaian people, the Ghanaian economy and Nemuno is not the result of mismanagement of Nana Danko Kufado and Dr. The external pressures. It's Ghana frontier say and it has so MPP mu. And you your Mahama mu I have a front mu. There is hope in Dr. Muhammadu Baumia.
I think say
Saturday was second, and Sunday was third. Yeah, original workshop.
Okay.
This is my first time. I think I'm able. And this week, this is my first program I'm able. Until Minda, the original communication officer, and then the deputy, Honorable Abbas Nuruddin. I think so. Why you Juma? What's up, Abbas Obodie?
Okay.
Ocean she say Mudigu Akwam, led by the constituency chairman. Say Koyan so. Into constituency chairman fire. Yeah. Chairman fire so ebon homodin. Edin to say so gugu akwam. And my program ne be fe. But titiri no yembo the regional communication officer and then the deputy Abbas Nuruddin and Amokamel. When you are also privileged, say the brother of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Mr. Peter Mahama, my papa godfather also a program or should be. I think say Papa Baby will be a machiao. It says so I got 368 days. 368 days to election 2024. And the victory of the NDC is coming. The next president of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the CEO of Hanad Foundation, Osiadeyo Bosomtweni Daswo, Honorable Ibrahim Asante Boadu, Michiano, Dr. Dr. Setankra Michiano, Namasatia PC Engineer Abdallah, and your constituency chairman Yabema. Alan Chairman Timbe health walk. Sir. That was 2nd December. That day. I think says at time one of the sister stations. Until me free where I may ban me share we do kumni padoma ne wukruma ekobino. Wow. Me ankasana me hujure me. So utie na Nigeria or CCC no we will treat them like opposition. Papa ne be free MPP or the insane be to two dwa or chile the entire wo free party. Sir. What you say? Because he knew say the system has been skewed in favor of a particular candidate who is now the flag bearer of the NPP, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. To share the no see there be. Say me minti obi hu beto timade me free party na makotimede. Okay. What you say? And that is a very nice idea Papa ni make here. Yeah. And Biana, the next president of the Republic of Ghana, a car say, Sinyakupoye na dom na unya benyana or the 24-hour economy. Epepa. Na sabi debi ameka say this will be a uye bayfo. Ana say upese dane da ye ka say one ye building ana unkwa pese debi ye building na because this 24-hour economy no. And this is very simple. 24-hour economy. It's all about jobs.
But 24 economy, no, it's not there already.
Anyway, some okay. Why a year 24-hour economy no? They are not even 30% in this country. We are journalists. We don't have even 30% in this country. But the other 24-hour economy policy here, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Debay, any person who say there are some incentives be the moment now about the count one kasana a bed drama with Jumano akonkan oneself for nipa drama unemployment okay cost for my mono a swide a swati. And this is a fantastic idea. Material and Temate or say wow because a 24-hour economy no any purpose be announced politicians. You see, it is time see obi the policy paper bar and then one out the buy anything no. You want to sabotage that policy.
Oh really?
Oh yes. See senior high school over the buy. Almost say yeah by 4 yempega na yedi. But and then we can see to say in some do na NDC ye catch na you to about your phone. To say no ye come no and ye be ko wontimi nko for now. It's 24-hour economy ne dey. Say dey ye papa la nkodu chematika ye. Wa chese ampa. Oye nipa na oye pania se papa no wona wona de na wo de nsese papa e ba obeso entini yeni na yenso wo ye babu na na wo hwe kuma wo TV a ana wo social media na wo hwe ya so because I see am nu ka say lady so menu mienu ye ni beje da ne da na bibi wo ye den e wo ye butum na da bia ne se bibi ni ye butum a ene na wo bete so young boys bia ko ha kwa tagiwe o ya di obi phone o ya ye say o ba bi kure boy so but with this 24-hour economy ni ba and then they make making say e ma by 4 crown because we don't have time we ba betu akowi satan no wo ni kwa ko ye adwuma aboa ma o man so ye den enya mfaso ama wo so ebi wo di bia ye den akọ obusuam eti e besere mo e besere Ghana fo anantemate akasim ni nyina amaye de bia dem bia meka me say 24-hour economy no it's all about jobs and your call workshop equal na ma adwene ba so say this 24-hour economy no the next government led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ba obey in 3 shifts to just imagine Lady Diane so with these incentives need time of unit tariffs be baso ne nyoma wan kasa no se wo 24-hour economy policy ni mo a we a company na wo manufacturing industries ni we mu ni na mo keka ho a na was this way a na wo this incentives we say say the number of employment e beba Ghana ama kwonu ne awudi sem bebrebe eso ayede eso ate entine de MB before kan de etwese Ghana fo ni na hunu se omunne nipa omudwene Ghana fo na je you are youth we popunu otia because of MPP nti why wadwene se won kan kure ane de ya se no de ekoyi ma
just say they are said na kan ya
yes no jaw ka che wo say you be treat obia as opposition person.
Don't you think say because the nipa be brain can say His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama waba be the president pain and Abraham be the president no nim say 24-hour economy as say also the be oko health sector and for run a shift data when it comes to the media and for run a shift data will be kind of baby will be banana jo and you know for banking sector no when it comes to banking sector people don't
right say about me about romantic digitalization
matter
you don't come here please
okay I'll give you
and you know Osha areas be brave for more running you know 24-hour economy. So don't you think I was saying vice president sorry former president was saying what say or the babbage or beshemu kenama sebi ekrofo bebre nyumaye dan so say or the but once you know it is there already.
Lady me person ne wan kasa we sen training
short
see me say aduma hodo wa wo kuma se ha say ne run sa 24-hour economy me person that is it but with this policy now President John Dramani Mahama sa incentives no time of unit tariffs no say bia wo ye aduma anopa na duro ni mura ewo some baby e de be mawa incentives be e de be mawa one kasana be haro what I say I bet me poor people and this 24-hour economy no so ebia Koowaa TV muka sa a program no ho a what I say se me lady u betina mu a obi su betina sa ba betin asa employee nipa
Eddie account
okay and this policy no your best sense and trust for say any Ghana for say and your policy papa
okay
and it is all about jobs meaning say the data me person be telling say data is Excellency John Dramani Mahama what on waka was say e binu mo ye but o ye dodo say
okay
dodo say na ye sa 24-hour economy no
all right
but on one time no say ne Koowaa TV so muntimi nye bia ono no ntan incentives no de beba nintina
beba yetimi ayi
ebe mo mutima ye bi ama puntuo ni adwuma ba oman ni mama mabunu dane da omusu adwuma ho no eso ye den abras because eno bia na betima ko public sector work ana me boa o ti ase etini yan so mu ye eno so no me ntre se ye kan say ananchemanten oni MPP for problem me I have listened to the man several interviews ofi NPP why was so maturity ono kwa no bisa na MPP asema obi abeka ne kure on pese obeka ono nse bi wo akra on pese obeka eti wu na naje ene wo catch papa ne say we be di deben the minister ne deben the benda eno so ntre se bibi ba oman ne be boa emi enka ho ase o ti ase ti e be sire Ghana fo say yesire mo this 24-hour economy no alan cash akaya sim ni na amaye enti yensum ya santima yensum yi mo amko health work nso hu di siye na emwa na the next president of the Republic of Ghana John Dramani Mahama onyankopon so ne saadaye enti mumram emma e hawni apinisi adane da mabu esufu adwuma ho so emrase na Ghana mfa ne tuma pamfra na MPP for so mfere that's
offer me that's papa you have a rebate 2 minutes
remember you see mini ane gazana na meti hodi
but what is
na aye misre kuni mdenja aye misre
na nakachira
o see the 24-hour economy omoko 2 days workshop me kokacha o me say it's all about jobs in the history of this country no government ana ama aye Ghana fo nyuma China na ba umia government in the history of this country because from 2017 I had to keep power and I said power no till aye nibi ya me no kase job opportunity na nyuma ye dia pre Ghana for aye 2.1 million jobs 2.1 million jobs me terminia no not aye what say nyuma NDC de ba aye Ghana nyuma o de ba Ghana ha in 8 years period less than 8 years MPP woman you to me 2.1 million jobs and
it's a lie
2 points
it's a lie million we don't lie you see what's a
part of it
omoko you know na kokanka
okay
because we got the private sector I got senator from 2017 to 2022 2023 nipa ko ma register ma nya eduma omoye
okay
975,000 and a half and the main government stream no so no what's the government no ye wo omofa controller and you order agencies no so that say eno kwa no over 1 million to kabon 2.1 if you say MPP be promote e be diagro and now say 24-hour economy is all about jobs who supervise 8 hours economy what do you create jobs for the people what track record NDC or track record they say teacher name year school from 2012 2013 to 2016 omo tena fie eteke ekufu ado ne befa wo mo kacha me se me boa 8 hours and 12-hour economy no ye wo ye no those 24-hour economy is all about jobs if you honest year school from 2012 to 2016 eteke president ekufu ado and e befa wo medumem if you go for your form environmental health assistant yes environmental health assistant omo year school 2010
okay
if the key president Akufo-Addo in the year 2017-2018 and of us uncle for negiment me mu ka se opa adwuma ye to ma ha hwe ye nim ka tra ye se onye professor na wa ma ye adwuma ye onye magician na wa ma ye adwuma ye it is ene kwatre kwase obema otoma na ye den otie ni din the Mahama is not the hope because the Mahama one TV station be TV3 or reporter a friend Evans Inkum Okomisa John Mahama as a former president John Dramani Mahama. Are you the hope for the Ghanaian people? John Mahama share a camera and anymore say, me John Mahama, I am not the hope for the Ghanaian people. Yes, I can give you the video. I don't lie. Okay, so to say, it is a particular question of amount. But video you see, this 24-hour economy, no? What you say tax incentives. In the year 2008 manifesto of the NDC,
And in the year 2012 manifesto of the NDC,
thank you so much.
Because before we catch Ghana for say the new NDC government will never and ever introduce any new taxes. But I feel that I'm to the saying 8 years only 18 new some taxes and a big
thank you so much.
And they give before and the some taxes we
lady number lady na me percent ka o kasenka o bisa ne say unemployment rate ni say yes
your mama pension
no please neighbor your mama if you are being asu in 2016 na unemployment rate 8.4%. She say under your leadership Muslim created almost 2.1 million jobs. She say unemployment rate and 15%.
Your mama press.
Please. 15% unemployment. Then you 15%. Now say how they say Ghana Statistical Service for maintain the unemployment rate issue betuja. Almost 1.7 million is unemployed. Okay, Lady Diane. 1.7 and when it is and they be a cassa yet here casano. One air almost from what you know. Almost from what you know, and now take and throw away canon and memory. A bit what now or say the whole children are only the bottom battery. So what I say, Sika in the bottom battery, and I am very ashamed of Nanaji today. Say, employing 2.1 million people. Unemployment rate is 15% under President Akufo-Addo and the incompetent and the talkative Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It's in unemployment there.
Okay.
What I say? Statistical Service for Abekasa.
Alright.
For now, the answer is say 24-hour economy. No. Say them because it's all about jobs.
Yeah.
And you are aware of this. Ubia are aware of this. Yes, so we because Lady Diane say I do not want anymore. I will do some we need the GDP before South 24-hour economy. I ask you, because we need data. This is what catch them say unemployment rate. More time 15%. I don't know what to mean, Kasa. Na Nigeria ni papa. Musa say them to know to mean Kasa. Say Ghana for are ready for change and the victory of the NDC is coming.
Nana, let me come to you again. So what you say your money be
many of them are
great. I want some dinner we can find.
Many of them. Mommy, you were in free.
Nana,
may you through. And press could be me you were through.
Obama,
I know when you are such a
yes, because what's it now? Your mom can't trip. What's your MPP for you? Oh my Ghana. Because this time around, it's make us control. Will be Ghana view. And so, that's it. Now when I'm one is it, let's say Ghana unemployment with Ghana
also, and I won't free Ghana. And this is program of Ghana. I had this 24 1 year moping. I am the so catch on sale system. Now, you almost say, yeah, the tax incentives, Pepper. I'm so tear John Mahama. John Mahama said, and you're by force, TNE. Meaning, say, and you police you. And maybe I'm not, or say, we will encourage. To go before open offer it is a hotel say and your policy I am or ubwa and what can we give you because say policy and yeah voluntary open how do we and join now see tax incentives and we catch us say in your 2008 manifesto incentives and I want to say be a 70 tax okay or say tax one can just say now what could see don't get here on national channel or say yaba and Kaniano more yeah 24-hour economy no your mama gaya better like me in summer beside your mama need to even get here say it didn't get here what better blue 8 years
wobɛtena from her 8 years wode Ghana for the sum for 4 good years.
All right. Thank you so much. Go to my next
now
morning.
Say if you have 24 hours.
Oh, you see.
Make one stop it. Short as say, or say my phone to view. It is any to say. I don't know phone to view. What's my phone to view? Yes, what I
school I'm afraid
Yeah.
Education here at the back that the new patriotic party akoma suba. We believe ne say o my Ghana betumi ayeye through education. To share the advanced countries now. The brain tumpon ni nyina no ayesa homeswe. Because immediately our population ebe educated no. Aya government no akwan bi wo ha okom ye ne etai high wo. Offer baby to say the sanitation aspect if feelings and seminar immediately will be educated no you be the senate say oh in new kind say military the environment so to say it's in new maybe onye den on fan onye den en gongongon shim so to say on to tunrengu basa because of my it me book almost 2.5 billion on this fee hun sense you gra into education ya there back the new patriotic party eda yakoma so ntina obehwa ye de free SHS aba ama Ghana mabunu enya so faso Ghana fo nyina o so ta say ename ka say efie biam ebusie biam say breakthrough ekona asona aduana ekufa bi hwe nipa wo say fie ho ade afa ba ko no e wan pipi won no MPP yeba ye policy ma etachi Ghana for nyina. So yes, I'm coming there. Etachi Ghana for nyina. It's the free senior high school aba. Okay. In your challenge, in say challenge wo ho. So what I say. Yeah. And then the seminar he says oh about me here policy papa be the policy papa ba and criticizing them here then. Ka ho asem papa. Free SHS mo ya advert 45 any tier free SHS. Mo continue as a free education 419 free education 419 and the free SHS to stay. So I say MPP na the buy ubi any and now some of fan school. We share education a yes system one. And yet the Ministry of Education GES no and yet omutrim po and then they say you better take crown. Nemo ye per se is seeing old curriculum nemo and I say academic year nemo. Alright. Because a year a dab why you who send you busy firing as I say and you're going forward. Because COVID the buy no asesa Ghana ho mesua asesa wiase nyina ho mesua it say na online adesua ko so pa so to say it the GS ni de mo ye ni nyina na ya de a ebema Ghana esiye na academic term no mu efoforo because so ka se wo ba January na that short period no January na wo be ba na wo ka se ye ba be admission ya de no the issue is eba ba ko wura enkrano adesua time mo it's added at this short period. You find Sunday money heading and free on. It's a be a school now. That is shining. I shall say, we say, oh, a short, yes, indeed, a short. But we have this short period, 2 weeks, 3 to 2 weeks. I'm going to heading. I do school. It is a admission fee. It's a baby. I'm granted madam. First saying admission. It's a baby. I'm granted baby. Or first saying or class away back. In a period of 2-3 weeks in a year. You be a school no. January you are already in the school. June say me buy yano. And you have to make up admission for and you have to you have to tell me baby. I mean that I ever waste it. You want this year a period. Okay. It's mean an age I know and I believe. Say time near day. But for the purpose of say and more time to learn in the year 2024 no yes say no all the groundwork now in these 2 weeks to 3 weeks period no so that the next academic year and as a school now full time no my day
all right governor pastor obebe mama me
you say e buy no na yɛ ka free senior high school asɛm sɛ ɛnɛ papa yɛ saa yɛ friend sɛ advert edit ya edi da ya na ɛnɛ wobɛdi no korɛ paa ana me nua na na gye bɛdi no korɛ yɛ na yɛ hunu sɛ nsɛm a yɛ ka yɛ fa free seniors ɛdɛ na ɛmɔ what you say. That was Friday. Me bo school ni di. Drabe senior high.
Okay.
Me nua baba ko e ba wo school.
Okay.
Meet me the number class ama na my friend na busa. O say school penifo no the authorities in the school say oba on fa one box of blue pen. Embra meba that's a makeup. On sanfa one box of red pen and sanfa mbra. Non sanfa A4 sheet and sanfa mbra.
Omo jaye dey.
Mude meba say anything I me say ba say ye we ya me send the number na ma no afre. Say me boa no aka chem say girlfriend na boa. Yes sama mo envelope say obi biara say ba one make sure say what the bare 100 CDs and I share envelope in one 500 CDs and share envelope in one in Bosco. And you know correct.
No. Allow me.
Me koka new station back. Me to station ni. Me any producer and free. Oh yeah, no say are you sure? No say me na me back. It shows how I see at the state of free senior high school. Apa could do. So be bus school I want to me the envelope share in some catch say so I'm 500 CDs and share envelope more. And my name bus school and you are happy say government I this policy. Hey.
We dey say your policy
oh boy. Then W so free senior high school.
Okay. I get it.
What you say?
Be envelope now.
Yes.
I understand it now.
Free senior yes. Policy no.
Sure.
What you say?
Sure.
Et you know say what you want. No, what you want now agree on say free seniors. And you see most parents are complaining. Say oh, and create control per tria. You can say Yesika na school fees there at the school no can you tell this free senior high school and Nutina the next president of the Republic of Ghana John Dramani Mahama see Oba he is going to improve the free senior high school policy he is going to improve it what you say Oba make sure say ebe what into a standard ebe buama se wuya abofra ana maame ana papa wutie ye no pay Oba wo sukuma dani awrefoɔ ɛmma ne tirim da sɛ ɔkɔ saa school enti no yɛsrɛ mu 2024 abatoɔ no sɛ wokɔto aba no a tuma nipa a obɛtumi de nhyehyɛ papa bɛba a ɛbɛboa ma free senior high school agyina brane and that is his excellency John Dramani Mahama ɔsi he is going to what improve the free senior high school policy enti yɛbɛsrɛ mu sɛ munko dabi senior high school na munko country school authorities ne say jomu di ne eyensenfun
okay
eyensenfun so be for are ya be
cities and share blue
envelope mu
I don't think so.
What you say
it's proper
what you say
yeah
it is a see me no mu kase me aba
girlfriend
free senior high school e buy ye ni ayete so a shortage of food shortage was schools. Yes. And now Tanko your friend is saying secretary for your friend is saying.
And you say your friend is saying if you are shortage in it even private schools quiet to Bribia.
What you say? Not secretary Tanko.
All right.
Okay, I'm so bad. Okay. So who say I'm almost say aduane mu di kwa na nkoye almost say awie ko mutimi di gobesa the whole
this case our call and you advise it is proper and I think common train and common call after Christmas like people are talking about because about time no better to normal now omo they are call NCB less than 3 weeks they coming back home normal call June return on the because they want to enter into the real academic year properly nana you use no
but well so they can I think say na sisi aka be 2 or 3 weeks na
ebedi
bro na nti no na speaker was insisting senka yambie no next year 4th January said ye be ya nka omukọ ye na no muntimi nsa nyeden o se no obi tikumase wanya school sunane otiase just imagine transportation gram otiase enu hu nyoma na ne ka bata abawe no wo ka bibia chomo munti this omo pemansa omo ya ban this omo pem no mo unzo ma pem enti no me de mini asem bebreka by the asema me wo kan say Dwapin Senior High School de e ko so
find it out
Senfu school authorities ne ye
find it out what time no and then I was not better
education wonim hwe yenua no mutena siku mu ye gane ne atie ne ba watena aka chew say inkofo say inka yetua school fees kura nka ye chen free SHS inti jo mahama ba obe review aye free SHS policy. Former President John Dramani Mahama ono say free SHS no ye de ba ebe Uganda ho mesua John Mahama. Former President Mahama ya say lawa free SHS ne bebu John Mahama ya John Mahama ya no so over 2 billion of ko shemu fratu ko fees mu John Mahama
and to say
former president Jimmy Yanatra now
he is going to improve it
because John Mahama said it is unwise thing. Yes, where John Mahama
I think he is going to improve.
Keep quiet, John Mahama say.
Who keep quiet?
Jimmy, John Mahama say I will review free senior high school.
He is going to improve.
So review no say. You see that say obey be free.
okay
And obey say Ghana for more for half.
na I
for half. John Mahama tie John Mahama ya na catch and say it is unwise to implement free SHS. Me de betwim me ma me for na mo hwem no John Mahama say nyasenim say the free senior high school beba it is a papa Osman communicators but that will say me ba me review me ba be ye ni ma me ye wa tai o is going to improve John Mahama dem say wuntie no John Mahama improve former president wuntie no John Mahama say I will review it is former president say it is unwise nyasenim say the free senior high school beba are you telling me says papa we nya ba on the free SHS mo it Ghana for you tie that do what about opportunity
okay
do what about no ye de opportunity yes obi a friend obi a be ye de o friend eh it kwasi obema otuma ye tie di tie no ha di because NDC there Ghana ho se o pe wonim say NDC wo ade wo mu tire say
mo school say na masi da bi o school say na mo masi
omo pa e ka se bi so se bi enya do so mbe improve
okay your mama ka so mbe improve you your mama say I will review me you na person dey become
me
mama say I will review it your daughter say obey be free mo so that say obey be free it mean say ene kufu ado biade oyo of farm of flower e ho kanyina including atade omo se textbook so mu omo ye osama omo biade di and all the say e fe say enuane so do school fi kwame nkoma penso a ye go school ni e di biade gari
oh gari ni biade
so that say ye ni go be so that say ebio more peso in the northern region, the 5 northern region, and the upper east and upper west Ninya, you come, maybe you are short to Ghana. Even the southern sector has a short. It's a number of be just idea. Mr. Ghana for Moon Timmy, and in the so MPP more. MPP, Yanni, I'll check Ghana Sika, not a few PM, a few PM, because I'm going to catch and say, yes, say, Ghana Sika, or you Sika, I'm trying to free senior high school, and then these people. Turn around and catch us say free SHS now omo ye aspect 45 omo se sample for school tade e so omo tobos omo say free education 419 free education 419 also omo ma wonja Lady Diana ya ma weni na ho and na Ghana ni yanti asese Kufuor na daroma o si challenges wo ho and na wo ko the various senior high school na Kufuor be si dormitory sabobo
we see a classrooms ahodo hwe enne mebafo agwanke
president to schools ba
lady Diane meba
o si school say mama si
so na mebe kasa
your mama o si jerry mebe o say your mama si school mo granted yejitum your mama si iblos
iblos futa me no busa se school se no moti o si sama santima
ena me no ka say
school se na kwa kwa santima
na na fa si meba
wọ́n fi bosomtwe kwa tumi kun free senior high school menu o kata mse SHS menu MPPAC kata mse mebo
kata me bo
constituency oba abai haya MPPAC ba o ma benu ku fo da ba yesi bi o ho me totally da e block mo kire how many blocks on here answer mo fi abem 2016
lady Diane say ba education sector there MPP comes no near the NDC government. Otiase, say kasi the education sector na ko onu anka so ya we.
Never me.
Messi.
Na ba so.
Ashanti region in terms of community day senior high schools, every district you na 10 Ashanti region. Bosumtwe, what they call Bosumtwe, the state of Bosumtwe is Oyuku senior high school. Community day. Should the way because of say any boundary any the buy anything when you construct the state of Bosumtwe community day senior high school SCC atitia pansama yasifa yes someone minister for education of Bosumtwe constituency oh no also limited you get the point it's in the education sector there they come no near us and let's make this on record Ghana for yet nothing my LPP for turn to view His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in his next government 100 days no he is going to improve free senior high school. What you say? Obey improve no and that is a good idea because most people are have the experience in education sector no according for review. Alachemate recently no in his interview or say so no ba he is going to review it. What you say? It is na dey be catch us say ma ba ni dey utu mutaya mko position say say aka 368 days lady woman men kasa be ti e besre mo say this time no in terms of education sector no dey they come no years and e besre mo say mum kan kura nkyere Ghana fo sesesi am NPP for say education sector no me kan kura nkyere abawe because ya kan kura afete oh na dey ya fete debe
iblo so say
ya fete ya no any center for ma ya ma ntro ne nada omampani Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia asa say ta
friend omampani
no that's the vice president
future president
well 2025
stop it all
but Dr. Bawumia can never become president in this country na make us record what it dey best say education sector there NDC aboy humode but a time is coming at you be say ya be cut that education sector
just 1 minute
me reading am because I have this one from Kingsley. This is a Facebook live Koowaa TV G8 Kingsley or say Kingsley says that tell the MPP man that the supporters of the party is lost total confidence in the party, including even the support even the pensioners. Yes, the MPP is total confused and their communicators are simply confused as well. To tell the MPP man in the studio to go and sleep because he doesn't actually know anything about the 24-hour economy policy. He should answer me. Did the revenue service work 24 hours or did he actually scared about the butterfly? MPP is actually going to the bush come 2024. Amanka boss states that good morning, Papa Diane. Today I have represent myself. Yvonne mentioned good morning, sweetheart, Dan, and your team keep up the good work. This is from Yvonne again that says that NDC man should actually allow the MPP man to speak. Why? Because he is really making a good point. I am still moving on. MPP and NDC are the same, so the people in the country needs to think twice about them. If you actually ask me, NDC is a big liar. Let me come to SMS here. This one is from a BB. BB says that good morning, Diane. Naneji, I like you, but today you are interrupting the NDC man. Why do you always want us to listen to you, but don't want us to listen to the NDC man? NDC, they have a big, advantage of. They have a big advantage of coming back to power. But John Mahama should promise Ghanaians that he is not going to collapse the free SHS. Free SHS is a good policy, but I am afraid that if Mahama comes, he will collapse it. So, Diane, ask the NDC man to just, tell us if the former president, His Excellency JGM, will not collapse it.
Also,
okay, obviously, Mr. Say, we are sure say His Excellency former president, free SHS no, no.
He's going to improve it.
Right.
Now he is going to improve it.
Start on SMS here. This is from Kelly. Kelly said, "Good morning, Diane. MPP, NDC. Now we are wise. We are using our Kokromoti, waiting for them 2024. We shall see if we are going to allow the MPP to cross the 8. To cross the 8 or not, or bringing His Excellency JDM back. Honestly, Diane, Ghanaians are suffering, and even during NDC regime, sometimes DP was there, but now a minister will pack all the money and put it under his bed, under Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo's regime. Don't so. Memra back to Facebook Live. Okay, Facebook Live. Be my kind na kakra na ba na. Alright. Na episode we be. Na patch we dey 1 minute 1 minute spend na me confirm me cause me down so. 1 minute for you, 1 minute for girlfriend.
I am the pass.
Okay, 228.
Many baby Busan say.
Your papa Peter Mahama
your mama
say.
For me.
Your mama.
Into no dey oye ni na o say dey oye no.
Man,
the studio is almost 30.
I'll protect you. Nana.
Free senior high school, my come once.
Yeah.
NDC for also only policy. The MPP I no kwa.
I know what you do.
I know what say. You buy improve. You buy any say.
So no.
So why NDC
going to be come on.
Fabi bra. Fa ade foforo bra. Ade eni ho NMPP e de ba. Ade eni ho NMPP e de ba. Iti e de aba. We change it to some challenges so. Iti wo ade foforo bra na o de ba. Okay. My ka some chire Ghana for you.
All right.
Your Mahama saw one term. Indeed, or one term. One term now one. Former President John Dramani Mahama said, "Omo to me for one term and fix the Ghanaian economy." We have more terms. It's all one term. We are going to be say former President Jidan or Baby Bill. And this from Kobe Pan the one he and I mean here, me to challenge man. One country and this from Kobe Pan and your Mahama and Baby Yoga.
Mami yana na di Remember Nigerian says it's not how long you will serve, by the impact.
The impact Papa Ben at the buy.
That is the most important thing.
No.
Mamenka Nukrenchero. Unyanko Pompeso Maudi Nipadomanima or the Nyansa account. Say Nyansa ni been in Pimp Odiama is essentially drawn to a money Mahama. What you say? And now Minu can say, who's the first? You're ban and Niger, meaning and Niger studios, baby.
first of all say more for policy bra policy ben na mo say o ba jai kan oh it's o ba jai kan
policy ben na dey ba
they say this 24-hour economy no ayira mi ma bebre abala jai and you see ato pressure ato pressure it's a best Ghana for say and how long you will serve by the impact I would be making a map Ghana for and then Ghana for you it's a best Ghana for say John Dramani Mama who said the way and how now by yeah said you be kind also let the be mama di bi wo but about we are present there the more they at least now the moon say system no na kakra wo
me da say
ti the best Ghana for so mo kai excellency John Dramani Mahama no sambe di o man pani bi
all right beautiful okay you be lines not man pay the amount 48 minutes after 7 a.m. But of course, maybe lines not so much. So I didn't say it's so welcome. Lines no, and that's screen is 0202668461. 0202668461. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Say hi, Encha.
Yeah, the was no the about where I was Ghana. Because the first people mean that yes, okay. Because they all found who we are come back bomb. Man to there one never been here. I want to know. If you go out to shake it if you know not to know that. Shut up on that mistake me yesterday. I'm proud of we will participate in that. Every people are the papa men and one more for. And the papa education, which is a million. Yes, my education is a woman who is a that. You see there, whatever. Ukolano kwa hiyo ya nini? Sisi tukichira bia. Uko kaya sema kwa na yako akukwa ndio njia ya ka. Njia wa sei bibia ya kaka. Uko kwa ajili ya ndio mtelo. Yes, because it minimum say except na mo for na yes no except me yani no is thinking there na ho because if you na the papa bia bo Ghana you na the papa bia o the papa mo ti abi ani ya Ghana you ni na make me actually reach officer you ni na make me actually mass producer international airport every people mo there Dubai e bi ni na but you say e bi sit down for the Kumasi every people mo there mo ti abi amore Bye, Fatty, all the way from Nima and crying. Also, beats me, Afraid. I have 10 more minutes to go. We're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Went to be so sorry. Also, beats me, Alpha Store. Your call nice there. And that screen is 0202668461. Hello, good morning. Morning, Medofo. Now, where?
Hello.
Maybe I shall. Wouldn't baby our friend me free?
I don't know if you are.
Pacha, it's you are okay. Maybe I shall go and call. Oh, alive. Let's go.
We don't know if you are. I'm saying, and this is what I everybody. I want you to
that you tell more MY men tell more TV and a suit home phone us 9 why Pacho be brave. I come in 9 more minutes next day. Me brain or I break anti frame na you call your name. Hello, good morning.
I'm on it.
Pacho didn't baby our friend me free.
Simon, don't call them chapter 4.
Alright, you tell Simon.
Yeah. Before 1 year and the schedule. They say, Mahama, 24 hours, I come market. Because they say, because you knew answer go to my camera, I think they go making out in power. They come in the work out in power. That's a 2 MP before. What do you mean, Ma? Then you are not working, so what do you mean, Ma? Obviously, what are you 24 hours? Come on, over the year out here. Yes, yeah, I'm going to of it. Mamma, no, so yes, I know. I don't know, after. Oh, you know. What is in the ground? I don't know. Mamma, see you ground. In the school in Koowaa, in the place, yeah, I forgot to buy it. In the oh, there's a bomb who are over the
Bye-bye, that's it. I was a bit to me, afraid to call me and let's go. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, what's me dance so. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, this is Father. You are one year about the the car man is a mental and jacket in our car, but the car man and our first to be able to do it. Namintia, the thing, Namintia, issue. The second car, the car, the Namintia, Mina, or Polina, Richard, and I can't be coming out there. So the empty clear and the thing that and then Koowaa and the play. Namintia, that's plan. I can't be coming out there. You know, people are not that. People, you know, to talk about. I want to have fellow, I can see the car. Now, that I can't look in that. Empty. That's the current first speaker of parliament. We are not this year on the utility. When I might say that of the university, I never have a character. If you are on she never happened to the quiet. I might say, I can see the convention. So, check and see a bit easier. I can share the point for your quiet anyway. The thing is, sure, what would be every was really at the point of particular procedure. Now, let me let somebody put this new first to a parliament man of Ghana and Yabapa. It's in Baunia. So the universe president here, or that I look at it, I don't know whatever I am. It's what I call you here. And she is cool about somebody saying, don't be all different. Why can I tell people? I don't any something put them plan and which is not share I can't do it then yes you need pull up a kitchen and to get us some of the shema on what we are going to be on what I call out there my God wow and I want to take your work share plan according to now what we should work on that we know power and the power window and I look at it it's just your power the event and not do woman can any name of the petition I have here and you shoot and you want to question the road and maybe you she any try to take the same plan that people are going to do so I don't know if they are going to
oh, okay. So it's my favorite. I eat go every day.
Then 15 CDs.
I eat. It's my favorite. I want to okay. That but when I say mobility, tell me the other. No, I don't have it.
Oh, that was so many.
Good morning, Unyaba.
Madam, I told you, baby, I'm afraid be free.
Unyaba, maybe Masaudu, Mikasa free. It's already 8 hours.
All right, Masaudi, see you on okay.
Yo, I'm not going to go back so much. I'm doing executive. So because you're moving by your friend saying 2020 casting the map. Oh, and you have been an for you. Because the country is not a level to work. And then you may get them call last 2 months and last 1 month. I will not buy you. When you say next and Colana, the fear from 1 for the Patampa, the 3 months. And that format much mean on the school. And it is asking where that's a night daily by phobia. And to better the sun and Rawana. The moment that you have your politics in the Academy and the moment you are watching the young woman, and then the mom got to obey you. And then you see double track. Double track in Kuala for 2 weeks. What about the 3 months? And if you are young, Kuala that much like a private school. And then you have the mark out of your mama, they need to have a color. I'm a school like me and blue. Akonenua eti na je to say class free ko ni high school no your mama say ba be review you know you
me for last caller na Masori Jumedi no so hello last caller good morning hello good morning last caller hello
good morning.
Good morning, my dear. Pacho, didn't baby a friend me free.
Actually, the days you got there, like I said,
What's the Pacho and see one of pay?
Pacho, I'm telephone council more say MPP for buy one issue. Oh, she should not. So the case here, one telling by last 4 years, so that's not so. So you know P. Let me be a call. I learn what you have done a man. No, my James, look at you.
Oh, I learn.
Buy a born home, my baby. This 4 years will be China. The one for the normal house to you. Ever got the Mama, the first from Sisoro. Well, I will say, sir, the John Yalan Muhammad has to take you. We are one to you, but you know, that's so if you have a case, then I could bring your moon to do. About James and more cry. You know what I don't think I want to say, and not MPP can't not.
Oh,
Moyin the number.
If you more,
Moyin the number.
You
The car last one, number. Many of Abofrea Mamera who says, Uchi in Kasana, I'm sorry, young.
Yeah, very young.
These people, they go for the touch your wives. Go for the touching my blue baby like so.
Oh, no, in there for free.
Better videos are funny. A show appreciation to music. Will be also raised with 2016. But it's a second event. No, it's a key for this animal.
Of course.
Mammy people send a buy 3. The Maya 3 free SHS no. Say yet free SHS now. Can a bunny to me a fancy school. And then you can send me check out. And it is so MPP because MPP buy but to me the free SHS. What touches so many lives? Or the Ghana Sikano, or their show BPA will come up when this Sikano. And then far quiet for buyer is uncountable. Opa buy wire quite far a interchanges. So I say, I think keep the light on. Ocean you make for buyer. I will say, then of 40 years, I say, there is so many people. I mean, here I am a party for. I feel so, I could say, so shame. And I feel so, one of our best one ladies, or St. Michael's Ministry. A friend went and then birthday. Mamma share when the happy birthday, Mr. Mitchell. And what a time, what in room,
the Ocasa is here. A person humanity assessor, assembly or onima and mechanic from.
Okay.
About we, what am I back? About we, Auditors General Report 2020 P. COVID-19 Sika Umunya was 35 billion. And when you see there 5 billion, they weren't able to account for 30 billion Ghana cedis.
Okay, almost 12 billion for
Say what you were not able to account for 30 billion Ghana cedis. It wouldn't don't say it. COVID-19 Sika it wouldn't
NBSS
Eba now COVID na abranti dina also so ye den. Northern region. Please back ebe kind say when you pay 100,000 Ghana cedis. Okay.
Yes, free money ana.
It no amane kekasa asem bio.
Mate.
Ghanaians are looking for change and the change is coming.
Okay.
And all Ghanaians are expecting say the victory of the NDC is coming. Dramani Mahama after 368 days. He's going to be elected as the next president.
Thank you so very much.
Your mama man. Oh, your mama man. Your SMD
card. And at the Rifa Bigo platform, so no, you better almost production for this morning. As
what did you know for next?
You run some job with the draw.
See you ever. Say 25 billion cries.
Director, famous any new.
What's the same amount?
And a woman she don't know. MC, I pay. I will just find you man or pay Godfrey or a regional communication team member for the NDC Sanso and an AG, a regional communication team member for the MPP meeting at the Diane. I do hear Jim Fiqu, of course, a board of Shami, who come and say 104.1, the Kumasi constitution, ɛbɛba abɛsi mpakyɛ ɔmakra mo nyinaa yɛwɔ kyena no ho. Have a good day. Bye.